Day 4 of I Love Nature More Than You. Let's give it a round of applause. Let's talk about owls. Have you seen or heard an owl at night? They've probably seen you and heard you. They have amazing night vision and can rotate their head and look behind them. They're not as fast as other birds of prey. They're silent and stealthy. Their feathers are light and make no sound when they're flying. Some owls eat their dinner whole, and they vomit up a pellet with all its fur and bones. Like all raptors, birds, they have a sharp beak. Some hoot, some hiss. What kind of owl lives in your neighborhood or woods? My favorite is the barred owl. There are the great horned owls, barn owls, pretty face, tiny little burrowing owls. Elf owls live in cactuses, and the great gray owl is almost 3 feet tall. Next time you're under a tree, search for those owl pellets. They're fun to pull apart. Take those bones like a puzzle, put them back together, and you'll know what owl ate. Maybe not the type of owl, but what he ate.